Hello year 3s. Now here is our Wednesday work, and it says comparing 3-digit numbers. Again, we're moving on with using the dice. So they're saying roll the dice and make any 3-digit number from the scores. Write this number in the my number column below. So this is my number column. Add 1, 10 and 100 to your number and write the answer in the more columns. And this is the more columns. And then subtract 1, 10 and 100 from your number and write the answer in the less columns. And these are less columns. So here, after rolling the dice, there is 365. Maybe it's not showing properly. After rolling the dice, they found 365. So that's what you're going to do again. You are going to roll the dice and make any number and you put it in my number column. So you're going to start adding with one more. If you're adding with one more, think of the last digit because those are ones. So what is 5, 1 more, or what is 5 plus 1? So 5 plus 1 is 6. That's why it is now here 366. 10 more. When they say 10 more and you are adding to a 3-digit number, think of the middle number, which is a 10. This is 60. So what is 10? This one plus 60. Or what is 60? 10 more. Or what is 65? 10 more. It's what? It's 75. If you are counting in tens and you are counting on 60, the next number in 10 is what? 70. That's why here it's 75. So 365, 10 more is going to be 375. Here they're saying 100 more. If it's 100 more, you're going to think of the first number because this one is a number in hundreds, 300. So when you're counting on in hundreds, you go like 100, 200, 300. The next number in 100 is going to be 400. So 300, 100 more is 400. So it's going to be 465. Just like that. Then you're going to apply the same thing here, whereby it's a less columns. Remember, less means taking away or subtracting. So 365, 1 less. To make it easier, think of the last number, 5. What is 5? Take away 1. It's 4. That's why it's 364. What is 10? Take away what is 365, 10 less? Remember, when you're dealing with tens, think of the middle number because it's in the group of tens and it will be easier for you to take it out. So what is the 60? That is in between here. Take away 10. That means taking away, you'll be counting down. So 60 take away 10 is 50. That's why here it's 355. 100 less, that means from 300 you are taking away 100. When you are counting down, let's say you are counting backwards, let's say from 500, you go like 500, 400, 300, 200 because you are counting backwards. So it's more like you need to use those concepts to help you calculate. So 365, 100 less. That means we are taking away 100 from 300. Then we are going to remain with 200. That's why here we're having 265. So you're going to roll the dice and make lots of numbers. And then let's say, for example, here you've got 654. You're going to put your number here and start adding more and also taking on the less columns. Then after that, we have another beautiful work here. They're saying keep on rolling the dice and make 6 different three-digit numbers, but you're going to compare now using less than and greater than. So this is the sign of less than. Do you remember in class we were using our arms to show greater than and less than? I hope you remember that when you fold your arm in this kind of sign, it's going to show less than, and in this kind of sign, it's going to show greater than. And the less than sign is your left hand. This is just a concept that I want you to enjoy. Yeah, so here is an example. This is our teacher. Remember Miss Moira? Yes, so we are using our hands to show a greater than sign. So as you can see, the right hand of Miss Moira, that's a greater sign because it's a powerful hand. And the left hand of Miss Moira, as you can see the sign, that's what? Less than sign. So when you're dealing with less than and greater than, take note of your hands, all right, so that you should be able to work on greater than and less than. Yes, that's nice. All right, so that's it. So you're going to roll the dice again and think of the number that you have made. So for example, you're going to say maybe 262. So you're going to write your 262 over there. Then you're going to roll again. In this case, you have made 242. So you're going to think, is 242 and 262 the same? You'll be like, oh, one of these is greater than and the other one is less than. That means you're going to make sure that you are putting the other number that you have found where there is a what? A less than sign or a greater than sign according to what you are given. So I think the best way is for you to write down first and think and then roll the dice again. Then from there you begin to check which number is supposed to be on a greater than sign or which number is supposed to be on a less than sign. So first of all, write on one side, put the numbers here after rolling the dice, and then after that, roll the dice again, then look at the number that is supposed to be on a less than or greater than sign. I hope you're going to enjoy this work. Thank you.